Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu,
Guru Devo Maheshwara,
Guru Sakshat Brahma,
Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hi everybody.
Since we have joined TeQ Mavens, we have learned a lot from our mentors.
I am very grateful to all my seniors for being my mentors.
I admire every senior in a department and office. They help me with every aspects of life.
I want to thank each and every senior who helped me out in learning new things and helping me out in every situation that I faced.
I appreciate for all your valuable efforts and your guidance.
Firstly, I want to say thank you to our seniors for inspiring me and igniting my passions. I will always be thankful for hard work and efforts you have put on me.
She motivates me to work hard and smartly, and she guides me in a right direction, and I have learned so many things from her.
You always guided me towards the right path whenever I got confused or stuck.
There are some colleagues who helped me in my overall development and growth. I learned many more things from them.
टीम मेंबर्स हैं, हमारे सीनियर्स हैं, वो बहुत ही सपोर्टिव हैं और हमें सारी चीज़ें बहुत ही अच्छे से समझाते हैं और बताते हैं.
Thank you for your support and guidance.
Thank you everyone for your guidance.
And a very happy Teachers Day to all the mentors of TeQ Mavens.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teacher Day.
Happy Teachers Day, everyone.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.